Hi, I'm April Golightly, and today we're going to be talking about the MZ Wallace Petite Metro Tote Deluxe. So excited. I've had this bag for a while and it's awesome. I recently took it on a trip and it was even great for that. So let's get started and talk about all the details of this bag. So first off, we have the exterior of the bag, and it's made of the signature MZ Wallace, like very soft nylon. It's called the Rex Oxford Blue design. And then it is trimmed with natural Italian leather, and it has like a very light gold hardware, which is really cool. This hardware is like, it's supposed to be light gold, and it honestly could pass for gold or silver, honestly, because for a long time I thought it was silver. And guess what? It's just really light gold. The dimensions are 5.3 inches long, 3.15 inches wide, and then 5.31 inches high. And it's super lightweight, so it's going to be 0.58 pounds, so it's less than a pound, which is so great. That's part of the reason why the MZ Wallace's bags are just so amazing, because they're super lightweight. So it also has a handle drop of 2.36 inches, which is just like you could only, like, you could put it on your hand like this, maybe. Mostly it would be like a hand grab bag. Also, the adjustable strap length is 31.5 inches, and then it's 55.12 inches. Like, that's the extent of the length. Being a petite plus woman, I really love that this strap is amazing. It can go really long or really short, which is great, so that you can wear it no matter how tight or loose you wanted to wear it. So this color is called Magnet, and it has been around for a really long time. I originally had this amazing like bag that I probably have like 8 years now, I think, and it's in this color. So the great thing about the bags is when you get them in these classic colors, they actually like stick around for a while. They have a ton of different colors, and it like cycles through where certain colors will definitely come back, like this one, which is super neutral, like a dark gray color, so that you kind of goes with everything, which I really like. So it's kind of its own neutral gray. Also right now they have a really fun chambray color, which I really like. It's like a light blue that kind of matches chambray, and obviously black, and then sometimes they do it in like prints, or even this poppy color is really beautiful, or flamingo, which I think would be really fun for spring and summertime. Also, let's talk about the exterior. So the fun part of it, it actually comes with these like leather, this Italian leather like feet, so that it's like less likely to get beaten up, because it has the feet that is touching the ground rather than the actual like just nylon of it. The nylon is very durable, but I think this actually helps with the longevity of the bag by having these little feet at the bottom. Also, you can take the straps on and off, so you can, and then tuck these little D-rings into the bag, so that it can be like a little tote that you can hold with your hands, or like I said, kind of put over your arm. That's pretty much like, at least my pretty thin arm, that's as far as it's going for me. I really like their attention to detail. They have their like name written and stamped on almost everything. So the straps have the written MZ Wallace there, and then the like here, this little button that's like reinforcing the D-ring and the leather is right there. And then the same thing, see where else they have the name. So they have MZ Wallace on the front right there, and then MZ Wallace stamped on the bottom on the leather. And this is kind of that oiled leather that they have on Louis Vuitton type bags. So this, as you have it, it'll like patina over time. So as you can see, it's not as, I think if you look at the pictures, like the original pictures of it, you can see that it's already kind of getting that patina worn effect that you'd normally get from using the bag. I guess here you can kind of see the MZ Wallace is a little bit lighter than where the parts that I actually am touching more often. So that's kind of interesting. Yeah, so just like a Louis Vuitton, it's going to get darker and then like more worn over time, which is kind of nice and kind of shows, quote unquote, like that you've had the bag for a little bit, you know. And you can obviously clean that as well. Also, let's talk about the interior of the bag. So there's like three main areas. There's like one middle part that's like the main area, and then there's two side areas too, here and here. And then inside the main part, there's like a little zipper pocket as well. So there's tons of places to organize your bag. Even though it's a tiny little bag, you can organize it and fill it up and like to the brim, which is really nice. So during my trip, I definitely had a lot more stuff in it than I normally carry with me. Normally I may like probably like 5 things in my bag. Sunglasses, phone, keys, wallet. I think that's it. So maybe 4 things, maybe a lip gloss. So those are my main things. That's why I'm able to carry like a tiny little bag. But with this one, I actually figured out that you can actually keep a ton more in it. So let's talk about like what actually fits inside of it and also like how to style it. Like I said, with this color, you can pretty much wear it with anything. Let's talk about what fits inside. So first off, there's 3 compartments. So in the main compartment, I have my sunglasses. This is the larger compartment, so you can fit like bigger things in it. Then I have this little wallet from Sony Clover Lane. I have a couple cards in here, and I usually keep my car keys in here as well. Then I have my little headphones here. These are the Hard Rock. What are they called? Something Rock. I don't know. Basically, they work really well, and you don't have to put them inside your ears. Open Rock, that's what it's called. Excuse me. I really like them. And so I keep those in there so that when I'm shopping, I can just put headphones on. Then I have some nail cuticle oil. I really like this one. It's so good. The Essie, and it smells good too. In the next pocket, I have some potpourri. So if you have to go number 2 while you're out, you can do that pretty easily. I actually have the refill. I refill this up. Also, I have some Touchland so that if I need to sanitize my hands while I'm out, I have that as well. And then I have some Shout just in case I get a stain. And then I have hand sanitizing. I feel like you probably don't need both. Then I have a hair tie. Also, this little packet thing. I got these on Amazon. I keep my Band-Aids and my little floss pick things in there so I can floss my teeth. It's really awesome because I'm able to like refill it. Next, I have this little pill case that has like an embellishment on it that I use to keep my pills in on the go just in case I need them whenever. Also, I have this Hourglass makeup powder. It really works really well. It's one of my favorites. And if I need any touch-ups or anything as I go. Also, I have this little e.l.f. like it's called like the Pinky Puff or something like that. It works awesome. I also put that in that little Ziploc bag that I got from reusable Ziploc bags that I got from Amazon. So that works really well to like just keep it so that the powder puff stays, like doesn't get all over everything. I also could like to keep a nail file on me just in case like my nail breaks or something. Also, I really like this Rare Beauty little mini mascara. I like to keep mini mascaras on me just in case I need a touch up or if I forget, because sometimes I forget to wear it. Also, I have this little concealer that for some reason I need a touch up as we go, I have it on me. This is my favorite. Next, I have this cute little comb. It's very tiny and works really well so that if I need to comb my hair throughout the day, I have it with me. And then, of course, I have my lip gloss. This is the Pat McGrath lip gloss. It came in like a trio, and I really like this one. Next, I keep a little tiny perfume, like a little sample perfume, so that if I'm stinky, I'm ready, and I have something there for me. If you like anything, if you like this bag, please support our channel by clicking on the links in the description and shopping through them. That helps support our channel and helps us review more bags. The cool thing about this bag, it's actually kind of a designer bag. At least where I am, I see women all over town wearing MZ Wallace's bags and even like shopping at Saks Fifth Avenue, like because I mean at Bloomingdale's you'll just see people that it's definitely like a bag choice for people that are wealthy. So that's kind of nice. And this bag specifically is only $145. So you're able to like get a designer bag that is known in like luxury communities that isn't a fortune. So that's kind of cool. And it's just an everyday bag. It's not like something you're going to go out to dinner with or anything, but it's something that during the day is totally like a easy bag. And obviously, depending on how big of a bag you need, it's definitely an option for you. There are other larger versions of this bag if you're a mom that needs to like carry more things, then you definitely can. For me, my daughter's getting older. She carries her own stuff mostly, but this bag works out really well for me so that I'm able to like carry enough stuff with me that I feel like I've got everything, but without having to like carry like diapers or anything in there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day, and let me know in the comments down below of other bags that you'd like me to review as well. Check out these other videos that are similar to this one as well.